the public car park that's here. I can't believe I've got a public car park. It's a Schindler. Let's try 9. Three it is. It's a traction. And a fast one at that. I think this is an MRL. Yeah, it is. It's an MRL. Okay, we're in this quite nice architecturally looking car park where I started a video once before. Now, you may remember through this door a Schindler 300p MRL with M series fixtures. Nah, not anymore, it isn't. We have a new Schindler. Now, you may find it odd that they would replace a Schindler 300p. It's not that old, but this particular lift had some, let's say, reliability issues, and thus they've kind of been forced into upgrading it. Here we go. Okay. So 4 is the highest car park level. Why those are lighting up, I do not know. Yes, but this is a full replacement, by the way. Look at that, you can see right up the lift shaft. So my phone doesn't really want to focus on the top. Oh, there we go. That is my favourite Schindler chime. Oh, yep, we can go to basement. I believe this is a Schindler 3000, which, if that's the case, would make it my first ever 3000. Now, if it turns out I'm wrong and this is a 5000, then, well, that would also be a first for me, because I've never been in a 5000 before either. Let's go for another spin. FIGS fixtures. Oh, I didn't chime this time. Oops, I accidentally... Oh, it's going up. I think it's been called up into the apartments. Well, in that case, then we better end the video here, because I don't want to have to share the lift with someone. Yeah, it's gone up to the apartments. Okay, well, in that case, then, we'll finish here. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.